I'm Kantarav, Secretary and founder of Planet Tree Protection Alliance and the chairperson of Harithon Green Run. First of all, thank you so much for Hybees for coming all the way to shoot this event and for the support you have been giving us from the day we started the organization. I especially thank Rajgopal sir for the opportunity and the promotion you have been giving us. We hope you extend the same support for our future events as well. And coming to Harithon, it's a green run basically to promote eco-friendly ways for a better living. And we have come up with the initiative of Harithon last year, and it was a grand success with the same, with the support and success we have seen. We are continuing it, we are taking it forward with the help of all the corporate companies, schools, colleges, universities, government organizations, and it's really a great honor for us, and all of them are receiving us in a very, very respectable manner and lending us possible support in making the event, all our events, a successful ones. Here on the occasion of Harithon, we are even showcasing eco-friendly products. They are potted vegetables, natural colors and eco colors and natural dyes, solar, bicycles, all this khadi. We are trying to promote all the eco-friendly products. It's basically the main intention here is to bring all the greenies together onto one platform for collective efforts to make Hyderabad much greener and to bring its beauty back. So this is what we are aiming at. Today, like around 3,000 to 3,500 participants have attended the event. Like many students, colleges, officials, everyone took part in this green run. Thank you so much to each of them, and we especially thank Muhammad Mazid sir from for being the chief guest and giving a flag off for the run. We will be very thankful to you, sir, and it's a great honor to have you on the stage and for the green run. And for this green run, around 40 to 50 companies, corporate companies have taken part in this green run. They are Infosys, Novartis Healthcare Private Limited, TCS, Tata Projects, CMC, and Citadel, all those companies. We thank each one of you. Coming to government organizations, this event was organized in association with Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board and Ojin Systems Private Limited. We thank both of them for being our title sponsors for the event. We also thank Andhra Pradesh Tourism, FAPSI, NAIP, Acharya Enjiranga Agriculture University, JNTU, OU, and all other media partners, green partners, cause supporters who have backed us by lending the support. We thank each one of them personally, and we hope you extend the same support. And also we thank all the media persons who have come all the way and helped us in reaching more people, and we hope you continue the same support in spreading the word of green in coming future. Thank you so much.